Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A haven for the mind, white tone reading room design. Imagine a sanctuary dedicated to the written word, a space that invites tranquility and focus. A white tone reading room design offers a minimalist haven that promotes relaxation and mental clarity, perfect for curling up with a good book. Here's how to create this calming and sophisticated atmosphere: the power of white, walls and built-ins. White is the dominant color, creating a sense of spaciousness and light. Paint the walls, bookshelves, and any built-in cabinets in a clean, crisp white shade. This reflects natural light and promotes a feeling of openness. Accents of warmth, optional. While white sets the stage, consider incorporating subtle touches of warmth to prevent the space from feeling sterile. This could be lightwood accents on bookshelves or furniture, a woven rug in a natural material like cream or beige, or soft white drapes with a hint of texture, a symphony of light. Natural light is key. Large windows are crucial for maximizing natural light. Sheer white curtains will diffuse the light without compromising the bright and airy feel. Layered lighting. Layered lighting creates a warm and inviting ambience. Consider recessed overhead lighting for general illumination, paired with strategically placed table lamps or floor lamps for focused reading light. Opt for bulbs with a warm white color temperature to maintain the calming atmosphere, comfort and functionality. Plush seating. Invest in a comfortable armchair or chaise longue that invites you to sink in and lose yourself in a book. Consider upholstery in a light neutral tone that complements the white color scheme. Reading nook. Optional. Create a dedicated reading nook with a comfortable chair, a small side table for your coffee or tea, and an overhead lamp for focused reading. Ample bookshelf space. Bookshelves are the heart of a reading room. Built-in bookshelves that maximize vertical space are ideal. Showcase your book collection in a curated way, arranging them by color, genre, or size for a visually pleasing effect. Minimalist decor. Keep decor to a minimum to avoid clutter. A few well-chosen pieces like a small sculpture or a framed piece of art in calming tones can add personality without overwhelming the space. A white tone reading room is more than just a space to read, it's a refuge for the mind. By embracing the calming power of white, incorporating ample natural light, and creating a comfortable and functional space, you can design a haven that fosters relaxation, focus, and a love for the written word. Reasons for a white tone reading room. The world can be a noisy and distracting place. A white tone reading room offers a serene escape, a space specifically designed to promote focus and a love for reading. Here's why you should consider this calming and sophisticated approach: a beacon of tranquility. White is known for its calming and peaceful properties. A white-toned room creates a sense of serenity, allowing you to truly unwind and disconnect from the outside world. Enhanced focus. The clean lines and minimalist aesthetic of a white room minimize distractions, allowing you to concentrate fully on the world within the pages of your book. A feeling of spaciousness. White reflects light, making even a small space feel airy and open. This creates a sense of peace and allows you to fully immerse yourself in the reading experience. Versatility of white. White is a timeless and versatile color. It provides a neutral backdrop that allows your favorite book covers and artwork to take center stage. Easy maintenance. A white room is naturally brighter, making it easier to clean and maintain. This is ideal for a space dedicated to relaxation and focused reading. Building your bookish sanctuary. Getting started with a white tone reading room. Transforming a space into your personal reading haven requires planning and a touch of creativity. Here's a roadmap to get you started with your white tone reading room. 1. Find your sanctuary. Choose a quiet and well-lit space in your home with minimal distractions. A spare bedroom, a nook under the stairs, or even a dedicated corner in your living room can be transformed. 2. Embrace the white, paint the walls and ceiling in a crisp white shade. Consider eggshell or a warm white to maintain a sense of warmth and avoid a sterile feel. 3. Natural light matters. Maximize natural light by incorporating large windows or a skylight. Strategically place sheer white curtains to diffuse harsh sunlight while maintaining brightness. 4. Layered lighting is key. Install recessed overhead lighting for general illumination. Add table lamps or floor lamps for focused reading light. Opt for bulbs with a warm white color temperature to create a relaxing ambience. 5. Invest in comfort. Choose a comfortable armchair or chaise longue with soft upholstery in a neutral tone that complements the white color scheme. Consider adding throw pillows for extra comfort. 6. Bookshelf bliss. Install built-in bookshelves or a freestanding bookshelf to display your book collection. Organize books by genre, color, or size for a visually appealing arrangement. 7. Minimalist touches. Keep decor to a minimum to avoid clutter. A few well-chosen pieces like a small sculpture, a framed piece of art in calming tones, or a cozy throw blanket can add personality without overwhelming the space. 8. Greenery. Optional, a small potted plant in a white ceramic pot can add a touch of life and color to the space. Choose low-maintenance plants that don't require frequent watering. 9. A touch of texture. Optional, incorporate subtle textures like a woven rug in a natural material or a soft throw blanket to add visual interest and prevent the space from feeling too stark. 10. Personalize your haven. Add a personal touch with a framed quote about reading, a small display of your favorite bookends, or a cozy reading lamp you've always loved. A white-tone reading room is more than just a room, it's a dedication to the joy of reading and a celebration of tranquility. By embracing the calming power of white, maximizing natural light, and creating a comfortable and functional space, you can design a sanctuary that allows you to truly disconnect, focus, and get lost in the written word. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.